This tiny vessel has 3 feet formed early in the glass blowing process. The gather of glass has been marvered to a cylindrical shape. The bubble has begun, and teeny tweezers are used to begin to form the 3 feet. As the shaping of the feet continues, the blowing begins. The feet are made longer. The bubble is elongated to begin to form the tubular neck. The feet are made slightly longer and more splayed outward. The bubble is blown a little larger, and the jacks used to make an articulation between the vessel body and the tubular neck. A constriction is made near the blowpipe to allow the vessel to be separated from the blowpipe later in the process. The glass is reheated, and work continues on the feet, pulling them a little longer, splaying them a little further outward. At the same time, air is blown into the blowpipe to increase the size of the vessel body. Blowing and pulling continues to make the oval shape of the vessel body. The final splaying of the feet takes place. They're made even so that the vessel will sit flat. The object is transferred to the punty or pontil. The pincers touch the constriction at its narrowest point. The blowpipe is tapped against the right arm of the bench, and the neck breaks. The rim is reheated, and when it reaches a temperature of about 1300 degrees Fahrenheit, it's soft enough to begin giving the rim its final shape. The tubular neck is made perfectly cylindrical. And then the rim is given its final flare.